declared on 13th February 2023. It has been 19 months of sustained war on bandits in the north of our country. The strategic decision to gazette as disturbed and dangerous, remote and difficult terrain, gorges, escarpments, and caves where bandits retreated to hide after attacking, robbing, and killing innocent civilians proved to be the game changer. Heavily armed bandits were flushed out from these areas in a process that lasted several months. Their outdated gimmicks of taunting security forces and sometimes staging daylight raids were eventually crushed through intelligence-led operations.